que me quedo dormida viendo la serie de Vicente Fernández. It's cold. Clean this area now. Like Halloween, well, it's not Halloween, but it's like spooky season for me. I like set these up when it's like September, October. It's a little Pennywise Funko Pop. How cute, and his little Georgie arm. That's so funny. I got this one in Mexico City. Just put it like right here. It does not go with this, but I'm like, whatever. Honestly, you might change everything to black. Like, something about black is like kind of calling my name, but I don't know. Clean that. On to the next. This is also something I kind of don't like in this room. I want to get rid of this, but not until I find something to put like in this area of the room. But for now, I just have my shoes, my books, like 100 new mixes. Not permanent, so don't pay attention to that. Gonna start organizing everything and see where I can put new things that I just bought and see what I can throw out. This like Pennywise mug and it's so cute, but I use it for like pens and stuff. My setup is like kind of ugly, but this is my setup for now because I'm doing like the Halloween. I said this in like the past like 2 videos, I think, or 1. I'm starting to do the 31 days of Halloween makeup, so I have all like the brushes I would usually use. These are like dirty brushes, so I keep them here. Clean brushes, and yeah. And the little stuff, I have like little things. Ouch. Those little things I'll take off like later on because yeah, I'll just take them off later on. I'm telling you, I'll almost be here for a year and my room is still not like set up how I want it to, but I don't know. I'll change it again eventually. I don't know. And then I have a bunch of stuff right here, but I leave it as well because watch. This bag is like supplies that I use for the makeup, for the Halloween makeup. This is also supplies that I use for makeup. Like I have a wig. I have like these fishnet thing, like little legging things. I bought some cool socks. I have like stuff like this. And there's like more things that I make for like the Halloween makeup that I have to keep here because I'm just using it, you know?